One of the areas that we see so many major claims with today are motorcycle accidents. Today there's just so many people are on the road driving motorcycles, whether they're the big choppers, Harleys, or just even scooters. And the problem is that auto drivers just do not respect motorcycle operators. And what I mean by that is, auto drivers have no sense as to how much time it takes for a motorcyclist to stop their motorcycle. They think they could stop on a dime. They think they're riding a bicycle just going 5 miles an hour. But yet they're going 55 miles an hour and a motorcyclist can't stop that quickly. The other thing is, auto drivers have no sense as to how far away a motorcyclist is when approaching them at an intersection. And the biggest fear is that of the left-turning auto driver. Motorcyclists always fear that. But let me give you an example of something what I mean. When a car driver is at an intersection and a motorcyclist is approaching them, what they see is something that's like a pencil point. Something like a pencil point, or an eraser rather, coming at them. And the auto driver has no sense of perception how far that pencil point is away from them. Whereas if it was a car or a truck, it's a big object coming towards them, and they can see it, but they can't see the eraser on a pencil coming towards them. That's how small the motorcyclist is when it approaches the intersection. And as a result, the car driver inevitably turns right in front of that motorcyclist, and the motorcyclist doesn't have the time to stop or lay it down and avoid the collision. This is why when, unfortunately, an accident like this happens, the motorcyclist needs an attorney that knows the experts that can talk about motorcycle operation, how much time it takes to stop a vehicle going 50 miles an hour. An expert that could talk about perception, what a car driver perceives of a vehicle or a motorcyclist down the road. It's so important to have the right experts in place if you're injured on a motorcycle. And just remember this as a closing thought. If your case goes to trial, the likelihood is that whole jury panel will be auto drivers. It's very unlikely that you'll have a motorcyclist on the jury panel that'll stick up for you. So what you need is a good attorney that knows these issues and knows these experts and has the experience in trying motorcycle cases.